Good morning, children. As a part of Unit 1 in grammar, we have simple past tense and past perfect tenses. We already know what is a tense. Tense means nothing but the time. So, when we speak about yesterday, today, or tomorrow, we use various kinds of tenses. So, when we use about the present situation, we use as present tense. We are in present tense form. When we speak about today, we say that it is in present tense form. And when the action is already completed before or in the past or yesterday, we use past tense. And the third one is future. So when we speak about tomorrow, we use future tense. So these are three types of tense, and again each three types of tenses are divided into four each. What are they? Simple, continuous, perfect, and a perfect continuous tense forms. So here let us learn about the past tense. So what is a past tense? Past tense is used when the action of the speaker is already completed in the past. We say that it is in the past tense. So how to identify the past tense? In a sentence, when we have yesterday, last year, last week, last month, previous year, we say that it is in the simple past. So what is the simple past tense? Simple past tense is used when the action of the speaker is already completed in the past. And the structure of simple past tense is subject plus verb in the past form and object. So past form, what is the past form? We already know about various forms of the verb forms. They are base form, past form, past participle, and present participle. For example, if I take the verb go, go is the base form, went is the past form, gone is the past participle, going is the present participle. So in the simple past tense, we use the second type of the verb, that is called as the past form of the verb. So when the action already completed before, we use simple past tense. And past continuous. Past continuous, the structure is subject plus was or were plus verb in the ing forms and object. When the action of the speaker was going on in the past somewhere else, we use it as the past continuous tense. So where to we use was and where to use were? Was is used for the singular and were is used for the plural and singular you. I was, we were, you were, you were, he was, she was, it was, and they were. And verb in the continuous tense forms. For example, he was writing a story. So now or in the past, whenever he was speaking, he was writing a story, but not now. So we used their past continuous tense. They were playing chess. They is here plural. The subject is plural. So when the subject is plural, we use their were. They were playing chess. And third one is very important, past perfect. Subject had plus verb in the past perfect and object. So when we use this past perfect tense is used when the action of the speaker already completed at the moment of speaking. In the past form, we use their past perfect tense. The structure is subject had plus verb in the past participle and object. And when the two actions are going on, the first action we use their past perfect, and the second action we use simple past tense. Here I gave the example, I had already slept when my father came. Had slept is the past perfect and came is the simple past. So here what happened? Two actions happened. First one is I had already slept, and we can find out my father came is the second sentence. So the first action is you already slept, so we use this past perfect, and the second action is your father came. So we used the simple past tense. And this important thing is these two tenses are combined by the linkers. So linkers, what is the linker? Linker means when we join two sentences. For example, when, before, after, while, but, so, till, and until. Fourth one is a past perfect continuous tense. So it is used when the speaker had been speaking before the action at the moment of past. And here we see she had been dancing for many years. She did not stop dancing. She had been continuing to dance for many years. So we used this past perfect continuous tense. Okay, children, you have to learn the structure of a past tense, past four types of tense. I have been sending you two videos. You observe the use of a simple past in one video, and in another video past perfect tense. Now come, let us go for the textbook. Textbook, here these are the questions are given. Combine the sentence using the pairs of sentences using after, before, or when as the linkers. And first one is already done. I brushed my teeth, I took my breakfast. Brushed is one action, took is the another action, and we joined here after using the after. After I had brushed my teeth, I took my breakfast. That means first you brushed the teeth, then you took the breakfast. And when these two sentences we combine with before, we can write I had brushed my teeth before I took my breakfast. So here the action did not change at all. First you brushed the teeth and then you took the breakfast. So this is the usage of past and past perfect, combining the sentence using after, before, or when. Okay, children, and one exceptional rule is we can use in both the sentence when the action is simultaneously happening. Simultaneously means at the same time it is happening. I brought the ticket as soon as I boarded the bus. So immediately you took the ticket and you boarded the bus. So these two actions were happened simultaneously. So when such action is expressed, we have to use both for the simple past tense. Okay, children, I think you have understood, and you watched two videos very carefully, and you have to write down these answers. Okay, see here, this is very important even for the 10th class also. Usages of after and before. So first action past perfect, second action simple past. Don't forget to learn the structures. Okay.